Here we are in Majorca. We're on a glass-bottom boat. Well, kind of a glass-bottom boat. It's a catamaran with bits downstairs you can go outside and watch the fishies. But the water is absolutely crystal clear, so you can see down to the bottom from here. It's a lovely day. It's boiling hot. Mum's sitting here, enjoying the sunshine and the sea breeze. People jumping off the back of the boat as well, going for a swim before we take off again. It's very pretty. A few yachts swimming, floating around out there. Lovely and peaceful.